This is just very much my style of pizza. I think London agrees because, well, look, the hype is real. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. I hope you guys are all doing great. Now, we are standing in Bethnal Green, down by some arches. We've just got Deliveroo, our very first Giz and Greens. I cannot wait for this. It's making big noise online. Social media's going wild for it. Someone in the comments earlier told me naughty things would happen to my penis when I bite into the cheese. Pizza. True or false? We're about to find out. Penis lovers out there, this one's for you. Now, Giz and Greens. Here's a London's premium pizza sluts. You're saying all the right words. Right, okay, cool. Let's just dive in. So what have we got here, Jess? What have you ordered for us? We've got, there we are. I could read. Shall I read? Yeah? I can read. Cheese and tomato pizza, tater tots, pasta baked with pepperoni, and add cutlery on the order. Is that what you, Jess? Thank you very much. And we've got no drink. Jessica, have you got anything to say to the people?
I don't think they actually sold any drinks, but
Okay.
I might be wrong.
All right, cool. All right, cool. Let's just dive in with the pizza, shall we? Got this little bag here. So this came to $24.99. There's a £5 discount, my love.
Right, so they're doing like a discount as well, and I also had a delivery
Get around it.
voucher.
So this looks like great cutlery. We know how important cutlery is to us. So what is this in here, Jess? This could be... Oi! Where's the topping for it?
I guess it's in there.
Okay. There's an element of excitement building here now. I don't know if you can feel it or not. So Giz and Greens, that's causing an absolute stir online. Oh man. I'm not sure about this. I don't know if you should on the pizza first. Do you know what? Let's come back to that. This is what the people have come to see. What have you ordered there, by the way? Like a pepperoni pizza top where you can put your tater tots in with it?
Yeah, it's a pizza. Oh my god, I can't remember what it's called.
Cool, we'll come back to that. So, pizza pies from Giz and Green.
Like stickers.
Love the stickers, love the branding. Speed of order as well. That was rapid, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my days, look at that. Stuffed crust. I thought it was. So, I'm very excited about this. First impressions, good size. Lovely blistering underneath, around the outside. Great cooking. Look at this, guys. Pizza lovers. Stuffed crust. I've actually got that excitement about me right now that when you used to go to Pizza Hut as a kid. Get a nice big piece. Here we go. Stuffed crust. Oh. Here we go. That is, people, an absolute banger. As you just saw, we've got a massive, thick, chunky layer of cheese on top. That is unbelievable. That's just getting better. Let's try this stuffed crust. Pizza on our page has been notoriously bad for a long time. We've had some good Neapolitan style pizzas. I'm not a huge fan. Wet, watery, not my bag, you know. They're kind of a bit A bit beige. I've got a gnarly pizza pie here. Stuffed crust goodness. That stuff, I don't know how I've done that by the way. That stuffed crust works so well. It's amazing outer crust. Like the sauce is rich, it's tangy, there's a thick abundance of cheese on top. It just works. This is just very much my style of pizza. And I think London agrees because, well, look, the hype is real. Gizzards and greens, the hype is real. It's not panned down to the pizza, to the penis. Just things are happening. Amazing. That gooey stuffed crust there, Jess. This is one of the best pizzas let me rephrase this. I actually think this is the best pizza I've ever had. For my taste, my style. It's uncompromising deliciousness. People ask, why do you get a plain pizza? I just do. It's all how I've always had my pizza. If you can't, it's a really good way to grade people as well, and like getting to taste the cheese, the flavours, the cooking, everything about the dough, without being masked by the other stuff you can put on top, the fancy ingredients, the fancy toppings. Not for me. This is a powerhouse pizza. Wow. I think they could have got some other stuff on the menu as well. It looked pretty good, yeah?
Yeah, it wasn't a huge menu. Like, I think there was like 3
God, that's
starters,
good.
maybe 4 or 5 pizzas.
That has got, I actually feel a bit emotional. That's a little bit like the pizza I've always dreamed of, that I've never been able to get. Everyone's gone down this fancy Italian Neapolitan route, and I don't actually think that's the best type of pizza just to munch on, to eat, to enjoy, to smile about. Wow. Don't know who's making it, like, where it's being made. Is it a pop-up, Jess, or is it an actual kitchen? I don't know.
We couldn't find it.
Whoever's making this for Giz and Greens, or maybe it's Giz and Greens' own vibe, own recipe. Fucking bravo, that is sick. Such a nice pizza. Properly amazing. If you're watching this now and you live in the delivery radius, bless up, respect, go and try it out. Now, I don't know what this is.
It's a bake.
Right. So, I've got some tater tots. They look amazing, by the way. Oh my God. I'm assuming,
You just pour, right?
will I just cut this? Oh my God, look at, oh. So what is that?
That's pepperoni in there as well.
Is that the idea?
Yeah, just have it with it.
All right, cool. So this is a side, Jess, yeah?
Yeah. Or a main.
Do you know what? Jess, can I just talk to you quickly? Oh wow, look, pepperoni. How many bad pizza places have we been to, you know? Like, pizza for me was always like a really special thing. A bit like foodies out there. You understand what I mean? Like, I'm so passionate about food. Like, look at the state of me. I love food. Pizza has been a bit of a letdown recently, like, to a lot of places we've been to. That first one ever, I feel like has stopped me in my tracks a little bit. I'm just trying to process it at the moment and trying to comprehend what I've actually just tasted. Well, that's outrageous. That is unbelievable. It's like a cheese and pepperoni tomato pie with a tater tots. Get some greens. Man. I have one more bite and trying to comprehend what I've got in front of me today. The thing is, I heard it was good, but I've heard loads of places are good from people, and it's usually not. It's usually hyped up. Man. These guys do not fuck around. This is good shit. I want to hold the pizza up as I do this. For me, taste is subjective, opinion is subjective. For me, this pizza today, my fingers, mate. I literally need to bit my finger off. Classic Matt. This is probably the tastiest pizza I've ever had. And the pizza I would actually say I'd most like to come back and have another go at. I'd like it a little bit more well done around this side. From what I've seen, they normally are really well done. That side, incredible. I'd like to see a little bit more on that, but do you know what? The flavour of the dough, stuffed crust. They did dips as well, did we not get a dip?
I didn't get a dip.
Didn't order one. Even better. Goods and greens. What they call themselves? East London's premium pizza sluts. I don't know where to go with this, Jess. How high? This is gonna be fucking. This is gonna be high. This is gonna be a high score. So those that are new to the page, we grade it out of 10. Decimal points, trying to be really precise. Anything in the 8s for me is like banging. 9 is like great. Anything over 9 is exceptional, really high quality, high class. I'm going to give this pizza a score today. Easily the best pizza I've had ever, I actually think. I've been to places where the dough's more light and fluffy at these Neapolitan places, but the actual pizza part of it is not what I want. Not for me. Probably you could say, argue is the higher, I don't know. Me, my taste, my flavour. This is the one. Where am I going with this? I want to give this a score today of 9.8 out of 10. Giz and greens, I don't know how you've done it or who's thought of this stuff, but the two things I've had on the menu today have been outstanding, and I cannot fucking wait to come back and try it again. People, get in the comments if you had one of these. Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you love as a pizza. Pizza pies like this, it's the future. I'm telling you people, it is the future. Thanks for watching everyone, and that was my best attempt at a review under the arches near the trains in London just before it starts to rain. Thanks for watching everyone. I'm out.